Hey everybody, Jack here. So today we're going to do a little, unboxing and first impression of the Bear Creek Arsenal 350 Legend Complete Upper Assembly. So let's get right into it. Alright, comes in a nice box, comes with some nice foam, and then obviously the goodie that we're looking for, the upper assembly. Alright, so right here we have the Bear Creek Arsenal AR-15 upper chambered in 350 Legend. Move that back and forth a little bit for y'all. So this Bear Creek Arsenal upper, complete upper, has a 16-inch barrel with a M4 contour profile. It's made of 4150 chrome vanadium with a parkerized finish and has a 1/16 twist rate. So this specific upper, it includes a 15 1/4 M-lock rail and a M4 flat top forged upper receiver with forward assist, a BCA bolt carrier group. It has, of course, the flash hider, charging handle, and of course it is chambered in 350 Legend. All right, let me turn it around. So Bear Creek Arsenal, they recommend that for specific ammunition you use the M350 Legend, the Hornady American Whitetail 170 grain, or the Winchester FMJ 145 grain. So today is December 30th in 2020. And I purchased this upper for $380. Seems like a good piece of equipment here. Has a little bit of weight to it, as I'd imagine any 16-inch barrel would. Maybe that's because the guard is so long. But yeah, real excited to get this on my 5D tactical lower once I get it all milled out. And the plans for this upper is going to be a little bit of deer hunting in St. Mary's County, Maryland. So in 2019, Maryland allowed the use of straight wall cartridge rifles to be used in all counties, and I've always wanted to get into the AR platforms, so this is going to be my first AR build, a 350 Legend. We'll see how it turns out. Probably going to eventually get this powder coated in some type of olive or bronze or brown or something or another, so I can break up the color scheme a little bit, but thus far everything's I got everything in black. So I got a Palmetto lower parts kit, complete your AR-15 lower parts kit that I'm gonna be putting on this. Got the 5D tactical lower, like I was saying, 80% lower. And then I'm gonna put some type of scope on it, a sling on it, maybe a little bit of a flashlight so I can get through the woods and twigs aren't bashing me in my face. So it'll be interesting to see how this turns out. First AR-15 build. Bear Creek Arsenal 16-inch chambered in 350 Legend. First impressions, looks amazing. Feels good. Let's see how it turns out. Thanks for watching.